looking to create 30-second pedal place. It's a road that dead ends right in the Division neighborhood, Richmond neighborhood, but Division Street has transformed quite a bit in the last decade and become very popular. And we have a dead end road that I would like to put a bike track on, a painted bike track, amongst other things. I was inspired by Sunday parkways. I saw kids doing laps with wooden ramps, and they would be out there all day. I think it'd be a great way to build community, bring out the neighbors of the whole area, not just that block, and create a community space for everyone to come visit.